Hence and thus are two conjunctive adverbs, and they're mostly used in written language to make the transition between ideas and sentences. Though these words are used interchangeably in most cases, there is a slight difference between hence and thus.
The main difference between hence and thus is that hence is generally used to refer to the future, while thus is often used to refer to the past.
Hence is a conjunctive adverb that facilitates a flawless transition between sentences. Hence is often used to refer to something in the future or conditional tenses. Hence often means as a consequence or for this reason.
Since hence is a conjunctive adjective, it cannot join two independent clauses together. It can only help smooth transition between sentences. Therefore, it can be used preceded by a semicolon or period.
Like in these examples, Ronaldo defeated Roberto in the match, hence, he will be awarded a trophy. This new method will reduce the carbon dioxide emission, hence, air pollution will be controlled.
Other examples are: many houses are built on lower grounds, hence the reason water ends up inside the house during the rainy season. Or, yesterday was a holiday, hence the delay in my response.
You'll notice that the structure of the last two sentences is different from the first two. In the last two examples, hence substitutes a verb expressing the meaning, which leads to, or, and what is the reason of.
Thus is a conjunctive adverb that is used to demonstrate a logical connection between the sentences. It is synonymous to consequently or therefore.
The word thus is generally used to indicate the past or to indicate a conclusion to a past event. Thus cannot combine two main clauses in a sentence, as it is a conjunctive adverb.
Therefore, thus should be written in the following ways. It started to rain, thus he had to cancel his plans. Or, it started to rain, thus he had to cancel his plans. Or, it started to rain, and thus he had to cancel his plans.
Thus also describes the manner in which something happens. It relates to this or that way, or to this degree or extent, and the like. For example, Perseus defeated Severus, thus becoming the victor. In this sentence, becoming the victor is only a phrase, not a clause. Therefore, a comma can be used before thus.
That's right, Aya. Wow, we thought we can just use thus and hence interchangeably, but actually, you're right. They do have slight differences. Anyways, we hope you all learned something today.
See you again next time, kids!